What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today I'm going to show you some free day trading tools that I think will be very useful for you. Check it out. All right, guys, let's go ahead and jump into this video here on the day. I think this video is going to be very helpful. A lot of these tools I used right out of the gates when I started to learn to day trade years ago. All of them are free, okay? All of them are free except one that I'm going to show you right out the gates, but the rest of them are all completely free, and they're all extremely useful in my opinion if you're especially trying to set this up and start off your day trading journey on a very tight budget. And good free tools are something that you're really looking for, okay? So hopefully this curves that Google search for you and you can just dive right into these, because I used them from the start and they helped me out tremendously. Now, it didn't help me out as much as hitting that like button, which helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Do me that quick solid, goes a long way. And check out the link in the description and comment section below to the daytraderchatroom.com and my Discord. Now, let's go ahead and jump into this here. The very first tool I'm gonna show you is not free, but right now you can sign up for a 2-week test drive of trade ideas. There's a link in the comment section there for you. All you got to do is click it. It'll take you to a page and you can sign up for the 2-week trial of trade ideas, including the artificial intelligence. So you can kind of take it for a little test drive, figure out if it's something that you like and you want to use moving forward. I like it a lot. When I started day trading and learning to trade, I actually paid for trade ideas right out of the gates because I enjoyed the scanners very much. It was in a chat room I was in. They streamed it there and I learned about it there, and I was like, I want my own set, and I did that. So check that out, link in the description and comment section to the 2-week trial. Definitely the comment section will have the 2-week trial link, the 2-week test drive, and that ends. It's not something that's standing, so you want to take advantage of it now. The very first free tool that I'm going to show you here is stockcharts.com. Stockcharts.com they have a paid version and a free version, okay? I never used the paid version. I don't even know what the paid version of stockcharts.com brings. I've used, when I started learning to trade, and even nowadays, I'll be on my phone really quickly and I'll just stockcharts.com real quick. And I've used that chart just for mapping out levels really quickly on the fly, sometimes from bed on my phone, okay, and stuff like that. Now, I'll show you really quickly how I like to set it up for myself, and you can always customize it however you want. So let's say you wanted to look at a stock, Tesla. Come up there, you type in Tesla, right? And you have your chart here. You have your RSI, you have your daily chart here. You can actually change it here from daily to weekly if you like, okay? And if you scroll down, you can actually make it bigger or smaller. You see here where it says size, you can come here, put 900 if you like, put update, and it'll give you a much bigger full-size looking chart there, which is a lot easier to read and map out levels with, okay? It comes already here standard as soon as you go onto the site with the 50-day moving average, which is this blue line, and the 200-day moving average, which is this red line. You see your volume bars. It even shows you your MACD indicator. If you scroll down and you want to add another overlay here, you can come in here and go to simple moving average right here. And then you can come in here and put 100 days and click update. And now, boom, it's updated for you and you have your 100-day moving average right there ready to rock and roll. Now, there are other things you can use here to customize, like you can add more indicators, okay? You can change the candlestick type of, setup there. You can use lines or whatever you want. You can change the default color scheme as well. Okay, so there's a number of different things you can do here, but I like to use it just like that when I do use it. I think it's a really good tool, especially for the price point of $0 a month, okay? So stockcharts.com, take a look at it. I think you might enjoy that one a lot. The next one that I use, well, I used to use, I haven't used this at all ever again, is FinViz. FinViz, just by going to this is super customizable, but just by going to the finviz.com site, that's all you need as a new trader. You come in on here and you're going to have your futures here. You're going to have your heat map right there. You're going to have these annoying pop-ups, but you know what? It's free. That's the price you're going to pay. So you're going to have the heat map there where you can see the sectors and what's hot and what's not. You're going to have your top gainers here. So it's a really good screener right out the gates. In the morning, you can get on here and like a scanner, you can, use it as a scanner. So you have your top gainers here. You can go look into Snap, which was a big earnings winner yesterday. You have that one as a top gainer. If you hover over the ticker, it'll populate the chart right there for you on the screen, so you can take a quick peek at it before clicking the ticker and diving deeper into it. You have your top losers. If you scroll down, you're going to see headlines right here that are coming through, right? You're going to see right here some like transactions. You're going to see earning releases that are coming up. Okay, you're going to see a number of different features that come available. If you want to, maybe get a little bit more detailed and customizable, you can click Screener, and then you can come in here and customize your own screener settings, and that way you can find the type of stocks that you're looking for. But this is yet another really, really good tool that is completely free and has a lot. Look, you got crypto, futures. Whoa, that's an ad. You see, when it's free, you're going to have ads that are going to pop up. Okay, futures. Okay, you can log in here, maybe even set up a sort of account where you can keep your portfolio that you can keep track of. All right, you have your heat map again here, just a little bit more full size, of course. So definitely something that you can look into. Oh, look, pretty cool. You can zoom in here if you like with your mouse. Now, another free site that I like to monitor is going to be CNBC. Breaking news will hit here. Sure, I usually have it on the TV within my broker platform, but in the morning, this is usually what I'm running. I'm just looking here, reading through articles, and CNBC site is, it's really good for what it is, okay? You're going to have plenty to sift through here, and in the morning I use it often, as well as I use the Yahoo Finance site. Why? It's very simple. I like the Yahoo Finance site because when I look at my gap scan and I see stocks that are gapping up, I always want to know why they're gapping up. Do they have a fundamental catalyst to justify the move, especially if it's a big move? So what do? For example, today Snap had hit the gap scan. So I'll come on here and I'll put Snap in the search bar, and we'll get things like this as well. See, U.S. employees added 467,000 jobs, expected 125,000. So you'll have that as well show up. So then you'll come here to Snap, you'll scroll down, and you'll look for news on Snap, right? That's what you'll do. You'll come here, you'll look for news on Snap, and you can read through all the news here and find the reason why the stock is making the move it's making. In this case, it was an earnings beat, okay? So you have that. Now, also, if you're looking to maybe get into an investment, I think it works great. You just come on in here and you go to Financials, and when you click Financials, here you go. Boom. You can see the investment income, you can see the balance sheet. Right? You can scroll down and you read through all of it. In the app version on the phone, I feel like it's much, much cleaner and easier to use for this. But on the computer, on the desktop, it works just fine as well. But like I said, on the app on the phone, I think you can get into the financials a lot quicker and a lot easier to read through. So you have that on there. And like I said, of course, when you're on the home page or any of the pages, really, you can see important things that might hit, like when we are waiting for job numbers, when we're waiting for some sort of inflation data, stuff like that, it'll pop up there for you as well. So again, guys, these are free tools. They're going to have ads on them. They're not going to be the best to navigate with, right? It's not like a paid version of something that's premium, but it can be used. And as a new trader, and you're just starting off, maybe trying to get a feel for whether this is something that's for you and you don't want to spend a lot of money out the gates, these are tools that can help you tremendously. And of course, like I said, take advantage of those 2 weeks test drive on trade ideas, link down there, okay? Thank you very much for watching. Remember to smash the like button for me, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, hit the notification bell so you're alerted when I go live. Remember, I stream in pre-market. You can come over here and hang out with me in pre-market and we'll make a watch list together. Let me do all that work for you, and I'll catch you on the next one.